How to fix Voice Chat SDK in Mobile Legends. Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change Voice Chat SDK in Mobile Legends, how we can fix that issue in Mobile Legends. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can fix your Voice Chat SDK in Mobile Legends, these are the processes you may follow in order to do so. First of all, you need to log in into your Mobile Legends application, the game. After that, after logging in, you'll be able to see the home interface of the Mobile Legends application. So in order to fix your Voice Chat SDK, here at the top right, you can find the gear icon, the settings. Just click over there, and after going to the settings, you'll be finding different settings here like basic, controls, interface, highlights, sounds, and network and privacy. You're going to look up for the option called sound on the fifth. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding different sound settings here. So scroll down the sound settings until you're able to find this option called text chat, voice chat, and battlefield voice signal here. So you can see these two options called voice chat and battlefield voice signal option. Just make sure both of these are turned on, not off. After that, below you can find this volume section of the speaker and your microphone. So make sure both of these are at the max as well, so that you can hear it loud and clear for you to be able to communicate with your friends as well. So after that is done, just get back, and after getting back on your home screen of your game, you're gonna look up for the option called ranked here. You're just gonna play it normally how you usually play the ranked here. Just go on normally playing the ranked game, and below the start game you can again find the option called microphone and speaker. Just turn it on and give access to both of them if you haven't given any access. Both give access a microphone as well as the speaker to the game, and that should probably fix your issue of your SDK Mobile Legends. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.